students, today we are going ahead the chapter named The Summit Within, Module 3. In the previous module, we have read that the three qualities that play a major role in the author's climb are endurance, persistence, and willpower. Let's read more about his achievements. Major Ahluwalia says that the physical conquest of a mountain is only one part of the achievement. According to him, there is another thing which is more to it than that. It is followed by a sense of fulfillment. Thus, the experience is not merely physical, it is emotional and spiritual. He says that climbing a mountain is highly risky job and needs others' help also. The fellow climbers prove to be a source of inspiration. Climbing mountain also gives lessons in comradeship. Major Ahluwalia gives an example. While climbing, two persons have to share a rope. One climber holds the rope firmly, while the other climber cuts the steps in the hard ice. A single man cannot simply think of being a climber. Major Ahluwalia says that climbing mountain is brutal. Struggle with rock and ice. Once taken up the task, it cannot be given up halfway, even when one's life is at stake. He further says that as while climbing, he looks at the distance left. He feels as if there is no end. So, he looked at other companions in search of motivation, and then suddenly, without even realizing it, at first he is already at the summit. Let's see what we have learned from the story. Question number 1 is, what, according to Ahluwalia, makes man an achiever really? Your options are physical attempt, mental attempt, emotional and spiritual attempt, or none of the above. Your correct option is emotional and spiritual attempt. Next is, he cuts the steps in the hard ice. He refers to. Now, to complete this statement, your options are C.B.S.E. Ahluwalia, Arunima Sinha, another climber, or all of the above. So, the correct answer that will fill this statement is another climber. The third question is, we curse ourselves on why we climb Mount Everest. When do they say the above statement? Your options are when they feel suffocation in a breath, when they see below, when they feel about God, or when they see natural beauty. The correct answer is when they feel suffocation in a breath. Fourth question is, what is the thing that gives us courage? Options are internal motivation, external motivation, grace of God, or none of these. The correct answer is internal motivation. Now students, it's time to practice some questions from the story. So here we come to working with the story. Question number 1 is, can you tell us why mountaineers feel difficulty in breathing during climbing? Next question is, how are the author and his guide motivated from each other. So students, you have to attempt all these two questions by your own. Till then, keep attempting questions, keep learning. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.